What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? A stick. You're welcome. So today we're going to finish up that Tyvek on the peak and cut the window out at the back and put it in because we have it.
Cut the Tyvek.
Cut the Tyvek. Yeah, we're not going to cut the window. We're going to cut the Tyvek over the window area.
It's actually Typar. It's not even Tyvek.
Oh my soul. We're going to cut the Typar over the window area, put the window in.
You could just say we're just going to put the window in.
We're just going to put the window in. That's what we're going to do,
And
okay?
the Tyvek. Typar.
Haha, there you go.
And we got to get that door still, so we're going to actually get that real soon.
Probably tomorrow.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully.
But, you know, we'll see.
Maybe the next day.
See what comes up.
One day really soon we're going to get it and we're going to put it in too.
All right, we're going to put that up. The house wrap, garage wrap.
Typar, Tyvek, tie something.
Done gone, gonna need the ladder.
Yep.
What happened there?
What? Oh, I hit it with a pallet.
Gonna have to tape that.
Yep. I meant to do that.
And your trash in the place.
Yeah.
Tyvek looked all good and perfect. And it's ripped, snap wrecked. No good.
Good for nothing.
Gotta rip it all off, replace it all.
Can you imagine?
Compromise the whole thing. Gotta go out another foot.
10-4. Is that good?
Probably. It's probably not even quite a foot, or quite 8 feet that we need anyway.
Yeah?
Yeah, right on that last line
Straight
there.
to the line.
You got the
Yeah, I got it out. It's all ready. Did we just put the stuff on top of it?
knife?
Yeah, the knife's here, your blue one. Yeah, right here. And I put staples in your stapler. There's actually staples in it this time.
Yeah. You want to hold that?
No.
We got a new roll of tape, right?
Yeah, I think it's in the house. Still quite a bit on here.
Looks moderately safe.
Safe enough for you, I suppose.
I'll just go up this side best I can. Hit the ladder a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
It's unfortunate.
But it's too short.
You got that?
Yeah.
Rig. Just stay right like that for a sec.
Okay.
Maybe if I should staple it for a sec.
I don't care. You can just keep holding it.
All right. We're getting low soon on the staples.
What?
He said it must be getting low.
Yeah, you must be. I only put one row in, I think.
I only did one.
Because it wouldn't fit two.
Oh. Sink on? Or do? Not sink on. What the freak am I talking about? You an eyebrow? I said I'm highbrow.
Oh. You want me to put a staple in here?
I can just come up.
Looks good. Just straddling the house and hope you don't fall.
What?
Just straddling the house and hope you don't fall. Maybe I'll stand at the bottom here.
Good.
Yeah. Getting dark in there.
Yeah, right.
It's cool. So we got our door. We're gonna put that in.
Yep. 36-inch door,
Yep.
2x4.
Nice looking door.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna take that. So don't just chuck it on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick it up from back here so we don't drag it.
Oh yeah, right. Am I gonna be able to lift it?
So yeah, it'll be late.
Oh. Get my fingers under.
Bye.
Am I the bottom or the top? Like
I'm the bottom.
okay.
Are you good there for a sec?
Yeah.
Oops. We could probably set it down maybe gently.
No, I can hold it.
You got it?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Gonna be about 20 minutes.
I know, right? Come on, guy.
Just looking for a hard hat to put on.
Oh yes, yes, you should have one of those on.
Working with you.
Luckily, we're not up on a ladder yet. Oh, there you go. There you go, big guy. I knew you could do it. I knew you could.
You're a big boy.
Yeah. Okay, now try again. You got to get the motion, the peely motion.
I get the motion.
The locomotion with me, or you, whatever the song is.
Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, to the locomotion.
Need like Sam's fingers to get in there.
Yeah. I always love a good white door.
Here else.
Oh. Great, I'll go pick those up
Two
in
more.
about 2 minutes. Ow!
Because you asked for it. It's gonna look nice in there.
Yeah, it is gonna look nice. Yeah, I'm excited to see it in. Then it'll be, and then that window, and then it's like closed in. Oh, that was an easy one.
Yeah. As long as you get your fingers into the stinking thing.
Cool.
All right, see if we got enough caulking.
What'd you do with that? It's in there, I think.
Yeah.
Remember you putting it in there.
So it's Sunday, and we can't get any sealant. So we found this one with like maybe that much left. And it was all stuck because it's super old. But we were able to get it cut down, but we got to cut way down, shorter. So just gonna hope we can do like
Enough.
right? And then I'll just go buy it later if it's not enough. So yeah, that sucks. But we want the door in. Do you know if we have any drip edge left?
Don't know. Under the house, probably.
We can get it. Yeah, I was thinking we'd like a small piece for
Maybe.
the window in this.
Yeah, maybe under the house.
Definitely a way thicker bead than it needs to be.
Better than too thin, I guess.
Uh-oh.
Are you out?
No, but you hear the bubbling? Sounds like it's inevitable.
Nice.
Can you put your hands underneath?
Yep.
Where's this stop at? Oh, right there. Turns out we did have one. We found this one in the back tent. This is, the only difference is this one's white, but that's irrelevant. This will be hidden, and this is white anyway. So that's good.
Awesome.
Oh,
Brand new bottle.
yeah, I know, right? Oh, there it is. Man, that's awesome, eh?
Didn't expect that.
Yeah. This is much easier to work with the proper hole. This must have been one that Mom or Dad had.
Maybe.
I wouldn't have bought the white one. Just in case you're on a ladder today.
Yeah. Do you need me to help you, or you're just gonna lift it
Can you
yourself?
grab that one side?
What side?
The side that you're standing on.
Oh,
Lift. Want to hold it? You got it?
oh, again.
You good, eh?
Yep. Got the door in.
You got it pushed, yeah?
Yep.
Let's go a bit, see where we're at there. That level in here.
You just had it. Brr.
All right. It's kind of the bottom, I think, that sticks out.
Don't really see any cracks.
There.
Push it.
Can you push it?
I am.
All right. Must be in where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's as far as it can
Is
go.
the top pushed in?
It looks completely tight.
Yeah, all right.
Hee.
How's the bottom looking up there? Good?
I don't know. It looks good, yeah.
What?
Well, I'm just looking at it.
Like, is it pushed in?
Oh, yeah, right. Oh,
You
yeah.
wanna just push in on it?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it? I think the top's gonna be pushed in though.
Okay.
Let's throw this in. They already don't have it on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Nice.
that piece? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, we need another bit. Need a,
Look right beside you.
oh nice. Okay.
Way ahead of you.
Nice looking handle right there. Should we lock it this way? The
Yeah.
key on the other side, so it's like a prison?
Yeah.
No, no, it still wouldn't be like that. You just lock people out?
Yeah. Yeah, right.
No, that would make sense. They'd lock you in.
Wouldn't you'd lock you in?
Yeah, it's like a prison.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You said it right the first time.
yeah, I did.
He's been there enough times. He knows what that's like.
Don't need to be telling them about that now.
Oh, yeah, right. View. Doors in. Looks awesome. I'm freezing cold. Let's go in and have coffee.
Sounds good.